Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial I would like to show to you how to collage your pictures with Picsart application on your mobile phone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Picsart application, and whenever you open it, sometimes you will be generated into the home section, but you just need to jump into this plus button to create or to work edit. And after that, there will be a pop-up here, several options that you can use for the editing. So you can use AI image, collage, freestyle, or you can also use the camera that provided by the Picsart application. Since this tutorial is about collage, you just need to go click this part to start collaging your pictures. And after that, you just need to choose which picture that you want to collage together. For example, this. And after that, choose another one. This and this. I got 4, and after that you just need to choose the frame that you want to use. Just explore it over here, and whenever you're done, find the best frame. You just need to choose it, and now you can have the next work, which is adjusting the position of the picture. You can also change or replace the picture if you find this picture is not really matched with other pictures by go click this replace. But here I already got the best match, so I will like to just adjust in the positions. So to adjust in the position, you just need to choose the picture that you want to move, and after that you just need to drag the picture into the specific positions that you want to have. If you want to adjusting the size, you just need to pinch with 2 of your finger to make it bigger, and that's it. And then for the next, if you want to change the frame, you just need to go click this outer line, and after that you just need to go click a layout if you want to change the layout. But if you want to change the border, go click into the border and change the thickness. If you want to make it thicker, drag into the right side. If you want to make it thinner, drag into the left side. I will like to show to you. So if you want to make it thicker, drag into the right side. If you want to make it like thinner, drag into the left side. I will like to do it this. And after you're done, you can also change the color for your line or border. If you're comfortable with the bright color, just go find the best or the match color that you want. And after you're done, you just need to go click apply, and here you go, you already have your photo or pictures collage by the Picsart. And after you're done, save it by click this part, and your collage photo is ready to use. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully this tutorial is really get you so well. So don't forget to subscribe into this channel to discover more and more tips and tricks about applications.